Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring basics. Charge and turn on the Redmi 6. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and switch it on so the radio can scan. Make the other device discoverable. This is crucial because pairing requires both devices to see each other. Once done, stay on the Bluetooth screen. The phone will begin scanning automatically. You're initiating a direct link, so keep the devices within a few meters to avoid signal drops while the phone lists nearby devices. You'll now pick the device shown under Available Devices. Tap the correct name exactly. If multiple similar names appear, match the MAC or model to be safe. When prompted, confirm the PIN or pairing code on both devices. This prevents accidental connections. If your Redmi asks for permissions like contacts or media access, allow what's needed for your use case. Make sure to approve audio or media permissions for headphones or speakers, so sound routes correctly once the link is. You finish by verifying the status shows connected and then test by playing audio or sending a file. If it works, great, otherwise try simple fixes. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart the Redmi 6, or reboot the accessory. If problems persist, unpair and forget the device on both sides, then repair. As a final troubleshooting step, reset network settings to clear persistent conflicts. This wipes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth entries, but lets you start pairing fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.